Good morning to this video. In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can be rewarded with the best award. For this award, it does not matter where you are working and which department you are working. But one thing, you must be honest with the people. You must be sincere with the people, and you must be a true. So in this way, if you know something that this thing is good for the people, must guide them, must tell them that this is good for you. And if you will do like this is best for the you. And if you will not do like this, it is not good for you. Maybe at that time, they will not like you. They will start hating you. And they will think that you are not helping them. And you are not listening to them. But with the passage of time, they will realize that yes, you are right. And you told them a right thing. And you guided them a right way. At that time, they will start paying you respect. They will give you an honor. And this respect and this honor, it will be a big award. And for this award, you don't have to pay anything. You have to use your word and you have to use your polite language. And if the people will happy with you, Allah will be happy and Allah will give you a best award and He will reward you with all of His blessings and with all of His rahmat. May Allah help us. May Allah help us in all of our ways. Ameen. Ameen.